If you're looking for a new LifeWorks job on campus, Handshake makes it easy to find open opportunities in offices all across Barrie. So in this video, we're going to look at Handshake's curated collections feature and how you can use this feature to find LifeWorks jobs that you want to apply to. And go to your My Apps page where you're able to access all of your Barrie College apps. So once you go to the My Apps page, you're going to click on the app that says Handshake. And if you've already activated your Handshake account, you should automatically log in. If you have not signed into your single sign-on before getting into that My Apps page, it might prompt you to sign on again. So once you have signed on to Handshake, your home page is going to be this feed that looks like kind of like a social media feed. You've got some videos, and then it will recommend jobs based on your Handshake profile and what you've already filled out. But we're going to ignore all of this stuff on the homepage right now and go over in the left menu bar and click Jobs. So this is how you navigate to Handshake's job board function, and it is really easy to use. If you've ever used the job board function on LinkedIn or other platforms, the Handshake job board is pretty similar, although I think with the filters that it has, it's even easier to find positions you're interested in. So we could click here in the search bar and type in LifeWorks, but honestly, that's going to be a longer process and we might find some things that are not going to be relevant. So the collections feature that makes it really easy to find positions with one click is right next to the search bar, and you can click Barrie Collections, then scroll down until you see LifeWorks. So right here I see LifeWorks on-campus jobs. I will click to select that, and then hit Show Results. And that will show me all of the positions that are currently open with LifeWorks right now. So these are positions that I could click on and apply for. And you can see information such as what office is hiring. Let's say I want to work in the counseling center. So I click on this one. I can see that the counseling center is hiring an office assistant. I'm able to see what the pay rate is, so I know what level of LifeWorks this is, as well as how many hours a week they're looking for someone to work. So if you were just looking for a second job to add, and so you don't want something that requires a ton of hours, or maybe it's the opposite, you're looking to find a new primary job to have on campus and you want something where you can work, 6 or 8 hours a week, you're going to be able to see right there what they're looking for. The other great thing about finding positions on Handshake is just like in the real world, you're going to be able to see a position description that tells you what they're looking for this job. And then if you're interested, you're able to click here to apply externally, and that will take you to the JobX platform where you can apply for the position. So you're able to see all of the jobs that are available on campus. And if you wanted to narrow it down further, you could. But honestly, the collections makes it really simple to find open LifeWorks jobs. All you have to do is go to Barrie Collections and then click LifeWorks, and you're able to see some results. Full disclosure, I think it is way easier to use the browser version of Handshake for a job search than it is to use the mobile version. But if you're a fan of the app, here's an easy way that you can access the same type of filters from the mobile app version. So first of all, open up that app. The Handshake app has the Handshake logo, and when you click on it, your home feed is going to be like social media feed-esque. So from there, you're going to go to the very bottom and click Jobs, and then Filters, and then once you're able to select those filters, all you have to do is go to Barrie College Collections and once again select LifeWorks, and then you'll be able to see the LifeWorks opportunities that are open on campus. And that's it. It really is that simple to use Handshake to find open LifeWorks jobs on campus. So the next time that you're in the market for a new LifeWorks job, check out what's available on Handshake. And as always, if you have any questions or need some extra help, stop by the CPPD or email us at cppd@barrie.edu. Thanks.